Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of Volvo Life. Today we're changing engine oil on Volvo XC70. The oil should be changed when engine is fully warmed up to the normal operation temperature. Raise your vehicle up and secure it. Remove the engine undershield off. Remove oil filler cap. Position the draining container under the drain plug and unscrew the plug. Check the condition of the plug's sealing washer. Renew it if it's necessary. Allow some time for the oil to drain. Wipe clean in the drain plug and refit the plug, tighten to the specific torque. Reposition the draining container under the oil filter, then using the suitable filter removal tool. Take a filter off. Wipe the oil around, make it nice and clean. Wipe the housing inside as well. Clean the oil cap container. Discard the filter O-ring seal. A new one must be fitted. Take old one off. Clean the filter a bit. Applying light coating of the engine oil to the new ring and fit the filter. Into the cover. Nice and tight. Then screw the filter cover into position on the engine until it sits. Then tighten it into the specified torque. Remove the dipstick. Fill the engine oil into the measuring bucket. Use the correct grade and type of oil for the engine. Continue adding oil in small quantities at the time until the level is up to the lower mark on a dipstick. It's approximately 1.2 liters between the lower mark and upper mark on the dipstick. Wipe engine, make it nice, check it. You see it's just a little above the upper mark. Start the engine, run it for a few minutes, don't race it. While that, checking for oil leaks around the oil filter seal and drain plug. Switch engine off and wait for a few minutes for this oil to settle in the sump. Recheck the oil level on the dipstick and add oil if it's necessary. Dispose the engine oil safely in according to the environment regulations. Thank you guys for watching the video. Visit YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. See ya.